Hi there, this is NikitaNet, and if you've got an issue with your parking lights, so those are those nice little, well, light bulbs right there, you have to buy proper ones because you don't want to replace them every time. So I bought a pack of these Philips W5Ws, and they are quite nice, but to be able to put them into this nice little Fiat Panda, you really do need to, well, take note, because, well, the Haynes manual, as I've read it, at least my edition, well, they've stated it wrong, just to be clear. So let's open up the hood and take a look. So on the inside of your motor compartment, you've got these nice little, well, wonderful clips. Let's see. Right. You open them up and then you have to peel them apart. And on this side you've got some space to pull these plugs at the back right out. Well, on this side there isn't much space at all to be able to do that. You basically have to have very small hands to be able to get at the plugs at the back. And in the Haynes manual, once again, as I've read it, they say it's a twist and pull action. Well, with this model light right here, it isn't. It's a straight pull back, and then you have to finagle the socket out right from over there. Well, there isn't much light to show you, but there are two connectors, one for the parking light and one for the blinker or indicator light. And because of the extremely small space, let me put my hand in there, right, so you can see, you either need long needle nose pliers, preferably with one of those round beaks to get it out, or you just want to do this once with some proper bulbs, and that's why I recommend, well, at least the Philips ones, because they tend to hold up in my experience. Well, with a little bit of extra light on the more easy reachable one, you see it is like that, but you close them up. If it wants to, niggly little pandas, right? And you click it in like that. I'm sure it's all tight. And then close up the hood. I'm sure it's closed completely. So this is NikitaNet saying thanks for watching and bye bye.